Hi, Bill Jones from Turntastic Wood Designs. These steps off my back deck are in pretty pitiful shape and have been for a long time. They sit on the ground directly, and the dogs over time dug underneath them and it began to sink and they've started to pull away. It's been on my to-do list for only about 6 or 8 years to redo these steps. So I finally got around to it, and we're going to see if we can improve that situation today. And of course, I'm just going to start by seeing if I can't take the old steps out. That was easy. This deck was built with 2x6 joists, which is way too small. But repairing the deck, or basically I'd have to rebuild it completely, is out of scope right now. So to have enough meat to attach the stairs to, I'm going to have to scab on some structure here. Now down here, where the stairs will touch the ground, is where the dogs had been digging. And in order to deal with that and make sure it doesn't happen again, I'm going to have to put in some kind of foundation. It's not going to be the best, but we're going to use some blocks and work up some kind of foundation. But that process is going to start with everybody's favorite activity, digging. So I laid down some leveling compound and packed that down with a toe smasher. And then I laid down some paver blocks to use as a foundation and got it somewhere in the neighborhood of level. So now I have somewhere to put the bottom of the steps and somewhere to put the top of the steps. So now I have to figure my rise and my run. The rise is the distance from the top of the deck to the ground. And I do that by extending a level out here, holding it level, and then measuring where that gets me. And I measured this before, and it's 35 inches, which works out perfect. And the run is the distance from the deck to where it's going to hit the ground, which is 44 inches, which is also perfect. The reason those are perfect is because ideally a step is 7 inches, and that works out perfect at 35. So I'll have 5 steps. And then ideally the run, or a step tread, is 11 inches. And at 44 inches, 11 works out perfect. So I know how to make my rise and my run. I do my layout by taking my framing square and laying one side on the 7-inch mark at the edge, which is my rise, and one mark on the 11-inch mark on the edge, which is my run. And I trace that out. And I cut it carefully with my circular saw. I attached the stringers to the deck with some deck screws. I cut my treads to length out of a 1x12, which was just perfect. So now all I have to do is screw those down to the stringers, and my stairs are all done. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you did, please like and share with your friends. If you have any questions about this or anything else you've seen in my shop, feel free to leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out. And as always, thanks for watching.